What's going on, everybody? BVF Collection here, back at it again with another unwrapping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I already started opening it because this thing's taped up like crazy. Inside here, we got ourselves a Bred kill in a medium. Let's get into the unwrapping, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about the terrible camera. Oh, he wrapped it too. Very nice. Holy crap, this is in great condition. I can already tell. This looks like the OG packaging it came in. This thing's in primo condition. But we gotta look at that kill hand, get it unfolded. I accidentally stopped recording, but we haven't seen the back yet. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. The kill hand in all of its glory. It's kind of cracked up, but you know, look at that. Looks clean from afar, you already know. Let's look at that front again. And that sleeve text. Look how crisp it is. Oh, this thing is very good condition. What is this? I don't know. That looks like it's on there too. But this looks like immaculate condition. Very happy. It's got the little bit of a factory flaw right there. Extra puff. Wow. Okay. Sleeve text. Pretty good condition. Not that cracked. Still cracked though. And then medium. All right, that's pretty much it though. Thanks for watching. BVF Collection out of here.